This video is going to be one of the most important for those who are interested in learning how to integrate LLM in their system. I'm going to be integrating Gen AI LLM. So here is the result of detailed analysis and recommendation. So this is generated by AI. This is not hard coded. So let me teach you how to do this. First, I'm going to show you the steps involved in this. So here are the steps for integrating Gemini AI API integration. First, we need to go to Google AI Studio, then sign in your account. Then we need to create a Gem API key. So I'll show you how to do this. First, we need to go to Google AI Studio. So after going this, we have to go to Google AI Studio from here. Then get API key. Then create API key. After pressing this, we'll get a new API key. Then we will copy that API key. Then we have to go to our system. Then in our .environment, we need to paste that key here. After pasting the key, we need to import Google Generative AI as Gen AI. Then we need to write the model name Gemini 2.0 Flash. And after this, we need to call the .environment like this. Then after that, we need to give prompts like this for explanation and recommendation. Prompt like this. I'll add this in the description box for you to try. So after creating this, we can create LLM like this. Thank you.